Thank you, Tom. Well, all across central Arkansas, we have become avid hunters for cheap gas. Drivers at Costco are paying $3.86 a gallon, and it's leading to lines over at that members-only spot in West Little Rock. But if you don't have a Sam's or Costco card, THV 11's Frederick Price checks out how long the relief may last.
Yeah, at this Sam's, people are paying $3.83 a gallon for gas, and as you can see, they're taking advantage of it. A bit better than the average price of fuel, which was $4.30 a gallon last month here in Arkansas. Well, AAA tells me that there is a high demand for fuel right now. So why are we seeing a decline in fuel prices?
It just gives you a relief from having to decide if I need gas or if I need food.
Lamar Tatum is a family man who's dealt with the record high gas prices.
I wanted to catch the bus.
It's definitely made a financial impact.
It took money out of the household or things that I needed to do otherwise.
Prices across the state are declining. Nick Chabaria with AAA says that in part is because of lower crude oil prices.
Earlier this week, it dropped below $100 a barrel for a time, and that was the first time in nearly 2 months that crude oil was going for under $100 a barrel.
Of course, demand for fuel was up over the holiday weekend, but another reason, he says, is because oil producers are preparing for a possible drop in demand toward the end of the summer.
Prices have been high for so long, as well as other inflation costs, possibly altering folks' traveling or driving habits.
A big question on a lot of minds, how long will this last? Chabaria says it's too early to tell.
A lot is going to depend on consumer spending habits, where the overall economy is headed.
Right now, Tatum says he's just taking advantage.
It'll help me out, financially.
And Chabaria says we could continue to see these gas prices decline, but here's something to think about. With hurricane season quickly approaching, if a storm were to destroy a refinery in the Gulf Coast, that could also impact gas prices. So certainly a lot of factors that play a role. In Little Rock, Frederick Price, THV 11 News.
More economic factors for you. The latest job numbers